Hey everybody, what is up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to work from home and make money. And when I say work from home, I really mean work from home. And when I say make money, make a good amount of money, not those 100 euros or 200 euros or whatever. And I will tell you this is that I will start this video with a anecdote of my own experience on how I did this, because what I'm going to tell you in this video is something that I actually did and I can show you the results. So let's go. So in 2015 I came to Greece. I was living in Spain at the moment, in the south of Spain, and I moved to Greece to work for a company. After a while I kind of missed Spain, so I wanted to go back, and in my last 2 weeks here in Greece I met the person who is now my husband. Yes people, I stayed for love. True love still exists, but anyway, back then, so I met what is now my husband, Takis, and I really needed a job because I quitted my job because I was supposed to go back to Spain, and here is this nice good-looking Greek guy, you know, and I didn't have so much money left, and I was thinking, okay, shit, what to do now? So back then, and this was a little bit before the start of, well, no, Airbnb already started, but it was not as immense popular as it is today. So I googled how to rent out an apartment, how to rent out a room or whatever. I got the results from Google, and Google said, okay, try booking.com. So I actually just signed up with booking.com, and luckily I was accepted. I didn't expect that. So here I am, somebody who didn't know jack shit from working with tourists, working with rentals, renting out a flat or in my case, a small room. Now, keep in mind that the room that we rented out was one room in my apartment. I was living there myself, and I thought, okay, this can only go good for so long, and let's just take the most of it. So we started to rent out for the room for the price of 15 euros. Yes, people, 15 euros. The deal was €5 from the 15 euros. €5 we invest back into the room, €5 for a package of cigarettes, and €5 to eat. I'm gonna be god honest, I did not expect anything from it. But within 1 week, I was fully booked for the next month. And I was like, okay, apparently this could be something. So I raised the price to 20 euros and eventually 25 euros. Now, everybody knows how Airbnb works. What I'm here to tell you is that whenever you have an Airbnb, so if you look on YouTube, people come with these beautiful Airbnbs and rooms. You should have seen the room that we rented out. It was clean, but it was nothing fancy. We started with this room out of necessity, and the apartment was also, it was nothing much. But the thing, and this is the whole point being, the thing why we were successful, and I will tell you why I said that we were successful, is that we provided also ourselves. That sounds very prostitution-nutty, but no, we, not only did people rented this room, they got the room, but they got a sort of friend in us. We could go with you to show the town. We could tell you, go here, go there. We made it personal. We made the people feel like they were a family member for that period. And I think that this is something that most of the Airbnbs at this moment, they're missing. And this is also why certain Airbnbs, you can have such an amazing Airbnb with the high-tech stuff and the newest couches and everything. It doesn't mean nothing. What if people on Airbnb, they want something cheap and they want value for money, and value for money is not always in the form of material things. To have somebody living also in the house who can provide you with information about the town or things to do, it is worth a lot, people. It is really worth a lot. So getting back to the part that I said we were successful, the reason why I said that we were successful is that, okay, we had in total 3 bedrooms there. So after 2 or 3 weeks, we go like, okay, we have something here. Let's open up, let's rent out the other bedroom also. Again, it was nothing special. Fast forward, within 1 year, we saved enough money to open our own little hotel. Obviously, the pandemic came and everything went tits up. But imagine that we started with one room. There was not even a TV in. I don't think there was even an air conditioning in at that point. People really liked it. And this is what I want to say with this. If you look now on YouTube or Google or whatever, ChatGPT, on how to make money while working from home, they will give you the drop shipping and all these things. People, let me tell you, this is not the way to go anymore. The drop shipping business, it's filled, it is full. There is no good money anymore to be made with this. I think that even though Airbnb has been around now for years and many people do it, you need to do it correctly. When I say you need to do it correctly, make sure that you have your licenses, make sure that you have everything that the law requires you to have, that you have those things. Again, you do not need any fancy equipment. You need to your guests need to have a personal touch. Go that extra mile for them, with limits obviously. But this is something that is so important for most of the people. I strongly believe that this was our power, this was our selling point, and it didn't cost any money. It did not cost any money because we didn't spend any money. So if you are looking for a job that you can do from home, and you have, that's my computer, if you're looking for a job that you can do from home and you have the opportunity, you have a free bedroom, clean the bedroom, put some new linen on it, it doesn't need to be so much, it just needs to be something where people feel home. Put some little paintings, consider this. If you would go somewhere, and keep in mind that you want to have a family environment, like you're with friends or something like this, or family members, make sure that your room that you are renting out is showing this, is giving this vibe. Now, as long as your room is clean and there are no bed bugs and no rodents and everything, and you give that personal attention, because this is the utmost important thing. Not only if you have an Airbnb, even if you have a company. As you know, I have a recruiting agency. I give towards my candidates and towards my clients, I have a personal touch. I'm not always business-like. I have a personal touch. And the personal touch is something that people will never ever forget. And this is gonna be your unique selling point. And trust, this will make you money. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Ciao.